Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'll be answering questions that have been posed on Oak Special Fund from the various social media handles. My name is Ian Kahangara, Director Global Markets and the Chief Investment Officer in Faida Investment Bank. We'll start with the first question, which is from @Ruth Wangoi 1271, and she asks, what asset classes are you investing in? Are the gains subjected to compound interest? On the first question, I'm going to just go through the different asset classes that we are investing in. The first one being in the class of global and the other one being in the local. On the global side, we do currency trading. We also trade with precious metals, commodities such as oil, coffee, and even corn. International equities, these involve especially the US equities that are commonly known, Alphabet and Nvidia and others. Exchange traded funds. We deal with sovereign bonds. Sovereign bonds include what is commonly known as Euro bonds. They can be from various countries that are offering. Algeria, Ghana had offered, Kenya has offered, and other Euro bonds that you may know. And also derivatives. On the derivative space, we are talking about things like options, swaps, forwards, and futures. Once we go to the local space, these are what we call traditional asset classes that have been traded by most of the common collective investment schemes. These include government securities, that is the treasury bonds and the treasury bills. We have what we call cash and cash equivalents. This is the call deposits and the fixed deposits or term deposits with various banks. We have NSE derivatives that have been introduced by our Nairobi Securities Exchange. We also have the NSE equities, also known as stocks, so the Safaricom, the Barclays, and others. We also have commercial papers. Commercial papers are some of the things that we invest in based on what will be approved by what we call an investment committee internally. Going to her second question, are the gains subjected to compound interest? Being a special fund, various assets, and not just assets, various trades compound at different times based on the nature of the investment or the trade itself. And I'll give various examples. If we place a deposit for 3 months, for those 3 months, as much as we are accruing or recognizing the income each and every day, as much as the income is reflecting on your statement, we can only reinvest stroke compound when we receive that interest. So after 3 months, that's where we are going to get the full interest and we can reinvest. So for that particular asset, it will compound after 3 months. However, we have some trades whereby we can even say they are compounding on a daily basis. If we entered on the currency trading, let's say we have a trade for Euro against USD, and we buy in the morning, and by lunchtime we sell and make profit. That profit is actualized already, and it is ready for reinvestment even intraday. So on the aspect of compounding, we say that various assets and various trades will compound at different rates. However, for all your gains, accrued, realized, or unrealized, as far as they are certain, they are actually credited to your account on a daily basis, and your accounts revalued on a daily basis. Thank you @Ruth Wangoi 1271 for that question. And if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us on the contacts that are on your screen. I'll be ready to answer any further questions. My name is Ian Kahangara, Director Global Markets and Chief Investment Officer for Oak Fund. Thank you.